unboxing Samsung EVO 1TB SSD, and I am going to give some review also. So this is the SSD, and we can look some detail about this SSD closer. This is 860 EVA VNAND SSD. You can see this box, it's 1 TB, and VNAND 860 EVA. It is advanced than 850 EVO, and you can see it has 5 years limited warranty here. Let's open it. This is Samsung SSD. You can see this is manual. You can see blah blah introduction, and then you can see SSD. I'm opening it. This is SSD, and so you can see that SSD port and power card port. Then so see, it's 1 TB, and you can see model number, and then blah blah extra. And in this box nothing is there. And in part 2 we can see about how we can migrate from SSD to SSD using Samsung migration tool.